Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Ramika's Diary. Today we are going to be seeing some grammar in CBSE Class 8, Chapter 8, the adverb. So let's get into the video. So the adverb. An adverb is a word that modifies a verb, an adjective, a preposition, a conjunction, or another adverb. So a verb. Ram runs fast. Here, the adverb fast modifies runs. So how is Ram running? He's running fast. An adjective. This is a very sweet mango. Here very is the adverb that modifies the adjective sweet. So this is a very sweet mango. So how sweet is it? It's very sweet. An adverb. Lakshmi reads quite clearly. So how is Lakshmi reading quiet? She is reading quite clearly. A conjunction. He solved the problem simply because it was easy. A preposition. I struck her exactly on the head. A phrase. She was sitting close beside me. So close beside me, it's a phrase. A sentence. Unfortunately, no one was present there. Here, unfortunately, is the adverb. Next, we are going to be seeing the kinds of adverbs. So, adverbs are of three kinds. So, simple adverbs, interrogative adverbs, and relative adverbs. Let's see one by one in detail. So, first, simple adverbs. Simple adverbs modify single words. They are of 7 kinds. Adverbs of time, adverbs of place, so adverbs of time, adverbs of place, adverbs of manner, adverbs of number, adverbs of quality or degree, adverbs of affirmation or negation, adverbs of reason. So there are 7 types. So adverbs of time, they show when the action is done. They are after, ago, before, early, then, today, tomorrow, recently, formerly, soon, shortly, yesterday, already, etc. I have heard about it before. So here, before is simple adverb. Ravi came back yesterday. Yesterday is the simple adverb. He came here a few minutes ago. So ago is the adverb of time. Next, adverbs of place. They show where the action is done. So this is when the action is done. This is where the action is done. So when, where. They are here, there, in, out, up, down, anywhere, inside, outside, far, away, near, everywhere, somewhere, nowhere, below, about, etc. So go there, here, there is the adverb of place. My father is out. Here, out is the adverb of place. Next, adverbs of manner. They show how the action is done. So this answers the question how the answers. So this answers the question how. So how the action is done. They are fast, slowly, sweetly, neatly, soundly, bravely, hard, so, well, ill, gladly, quickly, loudly, sadly, thus, etc. Jyoti speaks quietly, slowly. The letter is well written. Next, adverbs of number. They show how often the action takes place. So how often? They are once, twice, thrice, often, always, again, never, ever, seldom, sometimes, etc. He often helps the poor. She always speaks the truth. So seldom means like rarely or not often. So these are the meanings for seldom. Adverbs of quantity or degree. They show how much or in what degree or to what extent. So they are pretty, almost, rather, very, quiet, too, much, partly, as, enough, fully, altogether, hardly, wholly, scarcely, so, no, better, etc. We are rather busy. You are quite wrong. Next, adverbs of affirmation and negation. Affirmation: yes, surely, certainly, decidedly, truly, etc. Negation: no, not, may not, at all, etc. So here, affirmation means like a positive statement. So negation is like a negative statement or something negative. For example, he is certainly mistaken. I will surely pass this year. So affirmation is like a positive statement or something is true or valid. So that's the meaning of affirmation. Next, adverbs of reason. They are so, hence, therefore, consequently, as, etc. She is ill, hence unable to go to school. He therefore left school. Now the second type, interrogative adverbs. Interrogative adverbs are used for asking questions. They ask about time, place, manner, number, quantity, and cost. They are where, when, why, how long, how far, whence, etc. So whence means from which or from where. Where is Ram? Here, adverb of place. When did he go? Adverb of time. Why are you late? Adverb of reason. How do you go to school? Adverb of manner. Comparison of adverbs. Some adverbs are compared like adjectives. So like positive compared to superlative. So fast, faster, fastest. Hard, harder, hardest. Long, longer, longest. Soon, sooner, soonest. Beautifully, more beautifully, most beautifully. Clearly, more clearly, most clearly. Slowly, more slowly, most slowly. Quickly, more quickly, most quickly. Wise, more wisely, most wisely. Now we'll be seeing the uses of adverbs. So very is used before adjectives and adverbs in the positive degree. Drinking is very harmful. She gets up very early. Before nouns as an adjective. That was a very charming sight. I was very delighted to see her. So here it comes before adjectives and adverbs in the positive degree. So very came before the adjective. Before nouns as an adjective. That was a very charming sight. I was very delighted to see her. To modify the adverb much. Thank you very much. Her dance was very much better than yours. Much is used before the comparative degree of adjectives and adverbs. The patient is much better now. So here it came before the comparative degree of adjective. He runs much faster than you. So here much came before a comparative degree of adverb before the superlative degree of adjective. Sanam is much the tallest girl in the class. Rohit is much the smartest player in the team. To modify the adverb too, he talks too much. Mohan eats too much. So here much came to modify too. Much came to modify too. Too is used to mean more than enough. He is too stupid. She is too shy. So here it means like more than enough. To express what is more than the desired limit. She's too weak to walk. You're too late for the train. To express what is more than the desired limit with the use of too or for. To express what is more than the desired limit with the use of too or for. He is too poor to pay his fee. He is too young for this post. To have a positive sense when it is preceded by only. We are only too happy to see her. To mean also as well, I went there too. So it also means also, like I went there also, you could use I went there too. Enough is used. So it shows the proper limit has been reached. It shows that proper limit has been reached. The room is large enough for us. So it's the example. The room is large enough for us. He is brave enough to face a lion. Enough is used immediately after the adverb it modifies. Is the box big enough? So it is used immediately after the adverb it modifies. She speaks loud enough to be heard. Enough is used before the noun it qualifies. We have enough food for a year. So here it qualifies the noun food. So the third type of adverb is relative adverbs. Relative adverbs join two sentences. They refer back to some antecedent. This is the house where I was born. Please tell me why you are angry with me. Do you know the time when the Pavan Express arrives? So it is used to join two sentences. So here this is sentence 1, sentence. So for sentence 1, sentence 2, I'm gonna mention like S1, S2. So this is sentence 2. Please tell me. So sentence 1. Sentence 2. Do you know the time? Sentence 1. The Pavan Express arrives. Sentence 2. So it's used to connect sentence 1 and sentence 2. So like to join two sentences. Forming of adverbs by adding ly to adjectives. So when you form adverbs from adjectives, you just need to add ly at the end. For example, brave is an adjective, and you could change it into an adverb by adding ly to it. So it's the same thing for others. So quick is an adjective and you add ly to make it into an adverb. So bravely, quickly, finally, happily, kindly, slowly, etc. By adding ly to nouns, so like daily, monthly, yearly, hourly, weekly, etc. So This is a noun. So the noun is month. And you change it to adverb by adding ly, so it will be monthly. So that's how it works. By adding ly to participles. So hurriedly, lovingly, etc. By adding prefixes like a and b to nouns, verbs, and adjectives. So aloft, so like a plus loft. Ahead, so like a plus head. Ashore, a plus shore. Aside, a plus side. Asleep, a plus sleep. Awake, a plus wake. Anew, away, ahead. Aloud, beside. So like beside, b plus side. Below, b plus low. Before. Next, by adding a preposition to words. Hereby, thereby, henceforth, herein, hitherto, whereof, today, etc. So you add a preposition like here plus by. So here, this is the preposition. Henceforth, so it's like hence plus forth. Forth is a preposition. And so on. So by combining an adjective and a noun, meanwhile, midnight, sometime, homewards, eastward, midday, etc. So here, mid is an adjective plus night. Night is a noun. So you could also create an adverb by combining adjective and a noun. Note, friendly, lovely, lonely, likely, and lowly ending in ly, but are adjectives, not adverbs. So the words like friendly, lovely, lonely, likely, and lowly, even though they end in ly, they're adjectives, they're not adverbs. So make sure to remember this note and write it in a notebook. So quiet is used. Quiet means entirely, fairly, or to some extent. I am quiet well. It is quite a heavy burden. Quiet is sometimes used with past participles. She was quite tired. So here tired is a past participle after a long journey. Quiet is used with certain adjectives like quite good, quite right, quite warm, quite cold, quite chilly, etc. Fairly and rather are used. Fairly is used with pleasant and positive adjectives or adverbs. Ram is fairly rich. She is fairly beautiful. Rather is used with unpleasant and negative adjectives or adverbs. Morgan is rather poor. Since and ago are used interchangeably as an adjective. So for example, I received your letter a few hours ago. I have not seen her before. So formerly. It is 10 years ago that the king reigned. So reigned means like you're ruling a place. So like when the kings and queens rule some places. Yeah, so it's like that. Ruling a place. So it could be by a king, queen, etc. So reigned is like ruling a place by king, queen, etc. Since is used as a conjunction. So since is used as a conjunction and preposition of a time. He has done nothing since he came. So here conjunction is like when you join two words or two sentences. So here he has done nothing is sentence 1, he came is sentence 2, and since is used as a conjunction, so it connected two sentences, so sentence 1 and sentence 2. A preposition of time. She was been learning her lesson since 2 o'clock. Perhaps and probably express doubt and likelihood. Perhaps he will help you. Probably you will win the scholarship. So perhaps means possibly. But as an adverb means only. She did nothing else but weep. 11th one. Yes is used with the answer in the affirmative while no is used with the answer in the negative. So question. Did you attend the meeting yesterday? Answer. Yes, I did. No, I did not. Errors in the use of adjectives. So incorrect column, correct column. He is too healthy. Correct. He is very healthy. So you shouldn't write too healthy. You should write very healthy. This pen is too good. You should write this pen is very good. I am too glad to meet you. I am very glad to meet you. He works hardly. He works very hard. Mohan sings good. Mohan sings well. Now we're going to be seeing worksheet. So there are 4 parts in this worksheet. Instructions. Read the sentences below and complete the following task. Part 1. Identifying adverbs. Underline the adverbs in each sentence. So Ram runs fast. Lakshmi reads quite clearly. I have heard about it before. Jyoti speaks quite slowly. He often helps the poor. The weather is delightfully cool. He is certainly mistaken. I am very glad to meet you. Perhaps he will help you. She did nothing else but weep. Part 2. Using the correct adverb. Choose the correct adverb from the parentheses to complete each sentence. So the patient is much better now, very better now. So whenever there's comparison degree, of adjective or adverb, you should use much. So you should use much whenever there's comparison degree of adjective or adverb. So here better is comparison degree of adjective. So we should pick much. We are only too happy to see her. Only 2. She runs quick. The box is big enough for the books. Mohan is rather poor, because rather is for negative. Fairly is for positive. Or is negative, so we should pick rather. He is too or very lazy to work. Too lazy. Next, this news is very or too good to be true. Too good to be true. She came here a few minutes ago. 9th one. My father is out or outside today. Out today. He works very hard. Part 3, forming adverbs. Form an adverb from the adjective or noun given in parentheses and use it to complete the sentence. She behaved brave in the face of danger. So, bravely. The team celebrated happily after the victory. He solved the problem simply. The letter was written neatly. We receive our pay monthly. Part 4, adverb type. Identify the type of adverb. Time, place, manner, number, etc. underlined in each sentence. So here, tomorrow is bolded. So in each sentence, look at the words that are bolded and then state its type. Tomorrow is adverb of time. The cat is sleeping inside. So it's adverb of place. She speaks loudly. Adverb of manner. He seldom comes here. So adverb of number. So where is relative adverb? Relative adverb. Since it's connecting two sentences, it's relative adverb. How did you do that? Here, how is interrogative adverb. She is very beautiful. So here, very is adverb of quality or degree. So adverb of quality or degree. Okay friends, I hope you guys try this at home with me, and if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Bye.